You can't tell me what fi do, what fi go, how fi dress. Me no papi show. Me and the stars, so me and
Welcome back to Sweet Sensations World. It's your favourite YouTuber, Litty Shay. Yeah. Come on. Right. I know you saw that title in the thumbnail down below, and you was like, hold on, Litty Shay spilling more tea. Yes, that's correct. Today, I'll be sharing with you how to become a YouTuber and what type of equipment you need. Right. So the first thing you need is yourself. You need you. That's what you need. You need yourself. Because if you don't have you, where's the video? Come on, guys. If you don't have yourself, where is the video? Like, what? Make it make sense. Right, the second thing you need is a phone. It could be a Samsung or an iPhone. Any type of phone with good quality you need. I'm not telling you to go out there and spend so much money, but whatever phone you have, make good use of it, because I'm telling you, that's one of the things what I've learned. Step 3, you need good lighting. We live in a generation where there's lighting. We have daylight. Come on, guys. There's 24 hours in a day. Make good use of the lighting outside. But, you know, I think not everybody likes to record outside, but everyone has windows in the house. If you do have a ring light, please do use the ring light, because it helps a lot, and it enhances your quality on your phone. So if you've got a ring light, then use it. If not, then you could buy one. It's really cheap on Amazon and them type of places. Or you could just buy a tripod. A tripod is just something which you put your phone in and you just, yeah. But with a tripod, it's no light. So I think your best bet is to buy a ring light, and that way you can put your phone inside of the ring light, you know, put it up, and then you've got good lighting. That is step 1 of being a good YouTuber. Every single YouTuber who you watch on YouTube has a ring light, or they have some type of good lighting. Just, that's all you need, is a ring light and a phone. Right, I know some people's like, but what if I want to go outside? How am I gonna, you know, how's it gonna work? Well, in shops they do sell the smaller handheld tripods, which you could buy if you're a vlogger or whatever type of content you're doing outside and you don't want to carry a big tripod. Buy a small handheld one and then you can record that way. It's so handy to have. Right, I know some people's like, but I don't have a laptop. How am I meant to edit? I don't have a laptop. I need to go out and buy a laptop. No, you don't. All you need is your phone to edit. Your phone. There are so many softwares on the apps or on the app store. There are so many. I cannot stress. There are so many. Like, you've got Final Cut Pro. If you've got an iPhone, you can use iMovie. Like, there are so many. Like, choose the right app for yourself, and whichever one works for you, stick to it. Stick to it. Like, don't let no one discourage you on the type of app what you want to use, or the software which you want to use. Use it. If it's easy for you, then you use it. Because I know me right now, I'm using Final Cut Pro. And at first, I did find it a bit hard, but it's easy. Like, it gets really easy after a while, and you start to learn how to put in emojis, and you start to learn how to add text on the screen, how to split the recording in half, you know, how to add animations. There are so many different features on that app, which is amazing, which I use in some of my videos, which you may watch. Another thing what people's like to me, but if I'm doing interviews on the road, how is people meant to hear me what I'm saying? Right, so some people do buy a thing called mics. I don't know if you're familiar with mics, where you just clip it on your clothes and you talk. Now, sometimes that could be really expensive, because I know me, I was looking at some mics the other day, and guys, pricey. I was like, you know what? It's too expensive. Too expensive. The best thing for you to do is just talk. Like, just go on the road and talk, because people will still hear you. As long as it's not windy outside or any type of trucks going past or whatever, you will be fine. Another thing which you are thinking, I need a camera. No, you don't. You do not need a camera. I'm telling you, 99% of these YouTubers who you're seeing on YouTube platforms don't have a camera. And if they do have a camera, they hardly use the camera on their phone, because most of their content... So, please don't stress and go out your way to buy an expensive camera. Like, no. A camera can come anytime. Anytime in your YouTube journey, a camera can come. But for now, use your phone. Because I haven't been doing YouTube for that long myself, and I still use my phone, even though I have a camera. But, you know, if you don't have... Okay, look. If you don't have a laptop, where are you going to plug your camera into? Come on, make it make sense. Like, it needs to make sense. So save your money. If you, all you need, phone, a ring light or a tripod, yourself, your personality is one of the main things what's going to pull in your audience's attention. Because there's so much competition on YouTube where you just need to be different. Like, I'm telling you guys, you need to be different. So that is the end of the video. If you haven't already seen my other video, go ahead and tap on that link up there, because I'm putting you on some real tea. Trust me. If you like these type of videos, please do let me know down below, and I will do more type of informative videos for you guys, because I know a lot of you are really curious on how to become a YouTuber. And you know, sometimes you just need to hear it from someone who's like yourself, you know. But for now, guys, I will say I hope you've taken something away from this video. And if you have any other questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram at THEREALSHAYBX, or you can leave your comments down below and I'll definitely reply back to you. Because I know that when I first started YouTube, I was watching YouTubers, and it was really inspiring. So I hope I've been very inspiring to you lot today, because I think that's my aim, to inspire other people to join onto the YouTube platform. Because sometimes it's like, I do want to start YouTube, but I just don't have that right motivation. I don't have that person to help me. I don't have that person to advise me, or, you know, or to show me what to do. So I hope I'm that person to encourage you, inspire you, and yeah, I will see you on YouTube. But yes, guys, for now, I will see you in the next video. Peace.